Hi guys, welcome back. Debbie here. Thanks for joining me today. So I'm going to make hubby's Valentine's card, and I thought we would just start with the background. So it's going to be alcohol ink. I'm using Sailboat Blue Stream 100% alcohol blending solution. I've got my puffy tool and I've got my dryer. And there's no point in me speaking through this because you're not going to hear it, so I'm just going to get on with it and you're welcome to watch. And we'll carry on with the card once it's done. Okay, see you soon. I've cut it down because that's the only section I want for this bit. I'm going to save the other section for the sentiment. So I'm going to take that off. Now I'm going to place this over, and we're just going to use transparent paste texture gloss. I was going to use Crackle, but I'm not sure whether it'll work. So, oh, that's stiff. So now I don't want hearts everywhere. Just the odd bit. Just a couple over this bit. And that'll do. Okay. So there you go. You've got your little more parts. So we're going to leave that to dry. I'm just going to clean this off. Okay, so we've got just because. Now I'm going to put this on here, and then I will pause you, organise the next bit, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. So this is pretty much dry. Pretty much. So just quickly, what I want to do, Perfect Pearls, confetti white, a little brush, and I'm just gonna very lightly just go over the hearts. I'm not bothered about the dots. Just the hearts, because I want them to stand out a bit more than they are doing. Okay, I think we've got them all. So that's that bit. Oh, microfiber rag. And just dust it off. So I don't know whether you can see, but they are standing out more than they were. Got like a sheen to them. Okay, so while I've been gone, I've sliced my hand, which is always a good thing. So I've cut out just a layer. This is 5 3/4. Then I've cut out the heart out of the middle, and that's going to go behind there. We just need to get that in place. Okay, so I'm just going to glue that first. I'm only putting a touch on, and then excuse me, the rest of it can be taped. And we need to get this lined up as we wanted it, which was there. Perfect. And then I'm going to, oops, get my glue stick. And just go over my tape runner. Just get this lined up. I need to put these where I want them. We've got just because and I've got a little I love you stamp that I've cut off another one that's never been used. Now, do I risk it and try and put it on like that, or do I put it You know what I'm like, guys. I'm useless at stamping with a platform. So you see, I've already tried it. It's good, okay, as long as let's just get the ink off it. It's okay as long as I don't press too hard. Okay, I'm gonna go for it. Ready? Hey! Okay. Right. They can come off again for a second. Now, the innards that came out, I've cut it twice. Once of white and once of the metal. So that's going to go on there. And just line it up. It won't fall in easily because it came out of there in the first place. I'll push down because it's going onto the U4 paper. And cut out this. I want it to go like so. And then right, I'm going to get this on first. So don't have to be glued everywhere. Just a few little dots. I'm going to get this done, and then we are going to take the boys in the garden and let them go swimming in the pool. It's apparently, I've not been out yet, but my weather app is telling me it's 35 degrees today, which is and tomorrow is supposed to be even hotter at 38 degrees. So I'm definitely, it's Australia Day tomorrow, but we won't be going out in it because of Chucky and his epilepsy. Right, so let's get this in place. Which way did I want it? That way. I can come off the side a tiny smidgen. Get it pressed down. Okay, so I've got that so far. The bone strips, I want this raised. this in place. That'll do nicely. Right, now I've got to get it onto the card base. Take runner. Glue stick. Make sure the card's the right way around. And we're done. I don't think it needs any bling. What do you reckon? I don't think it does because it's got the little hearts inside. Right guys, I'm going to get going. Get these dogs outside. Don't forget, if you're enjoying my videos, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already and ring that notification bell so you get alerted to anything I've got coming up in the future. And head on over to DD Cards, our Facebook group. Love to see you over there. And that's it. I'm going. Alright guys, I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.